Hey guys, welcome back. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. 3-story townhouse, downstairs dryer, on the first floor dryer. 3 cycles to dry a load of towels. Goes out of the back, so it goes up the wall, across a bedroom, and then out of the back. So let's check it out. All right, guys. If you look at where they had that coming out. How is that supposed to make it turn? That's all right. We're going to fix it. All right. Normally, I would use the dryer to push the airflow out. However, on this one, the dryer's not hooked up and 20 years old. I don't want to blow their dryer out while I'm here. And then they get to say, I'm just kidding. She would never do that. However, the fact still remains. It's going to take high-powered air to get through there to try to get this cleaned out. All right. So you can see, I'm trying to not get this stuff all over the neighbor's patio because it's nasty, rainy, whatever. But... So take the louvers out. You just make a U. I'm trying to... Yeah. So this one could get a little dirty, guys. We'll be back. There's 20 years for you folks. 20 years. Guys, clean out those dryer vents, okay? Right now, of course, I have the blower going, okay? Because I had to. 20 years, guys. And yeah, it's messy because it's raining out. So now I get to pick all this. Now I get to try to clean all this up. So, moral of the story, clean these dryer vents, guys. Inside, I still have to connect the flex and all that stuff, but that's simple. I'll try to set it up though. Stick around. All right, so now I'm just cleaning off the louvers. There was the lint couldn't get the lint wasn't making it to the louvers anyway. That's why these don't look worse than, you know, as bad as that vent was. So come on, let's go up there. Look at that. Oh yeah, just a, oh no. Hard to do this one-handed, man. I told y'all I'm trying to figure all this out, but eventually we'll get there. See, that one's gonna be a problem regardless, because they just I'd say it's a little bit better. Cleanup time. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap this one up. Only thing left to do now is to go collect that check. But guys, seriously, in all jokes aside, 20 years without cleaning the dryer vent, and there are 5 units attached. Well, whatever, 5 units attached. So you're only as safe as your neighbor, and they're only as safe as you. Remember that, guys. All right, Steve, Owl Metal Dryer Vent, owlmetaldryervent.com. Check it out. My Periscope is awesome. We'll see you on the next one.